Now just request that the Right Honorable Raila Odinga to go and press the buzzer, witnessed by His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto. I'll count you down, Your Excellency, and we'll all clap together in 3, 2, 1. And that is the launch of the Raila Odinga for AUC chairmanship. Thank you. I'll now request that you may recede to take your sitting positions. And with that, we have now come to the end of this session. May I request that we all be upstanding. We're going to finish with the two anthems we started with. That is the Kenyan National Anthem and the East African Anthem. The Kenyan National Anthem. And that brings us to the end of this session. I'll request that we proceed for lunch, but I'll request that we all remain standing as the heads of state and those on the front row exit through the left. The rest of us, kindly, let's remain standing where we are. His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto has so graciously invited us all for lunch. The rest of us will kindly exit to your right, towards the garden, and proceed to the lunch area which is behind these screens. All of us, please, the rest of us, please, let's exit to the right, your right, which is my left, from the garden towards the lunch area, which is to the back of these screens. Only the heads of state and those heads of delegations who are going to use that side to the left, kindly. The rest of us, please, let's exit using the right side of the auditorium.